Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable picture-in-picture on TikTok iPhone. So if you want to watch TikTok video on a small screen on your iPhone while using your iPhone for another purpose, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn on or enable picture-in-picture on TikTok iPhone, all you need to do first is go ahead and open your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on General. Now, under General, you want to scroll down to get to Picture-in-Picture. Click on Picture-in-Picture. Then make sure you turn on Start PIP automatically. So, Picture-in-Picture must be turned on your iPhone settings first. Then once that is done, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your iPhone. Now, once you open the TikTok application, locate the video you want to watch in Picture-in-Picture. Press and hold it. Then swipe through like this. Then you should see PIP, picture-in-picture. So you want to go ahead and click on that. Swipe, then click on picture-in-picture. Then you should spot that says video will continue playing in small window when you leave the app. So click on OK. Now if you see picture-in-picture turned on, then exit the TikTok app. You should see the picture-in-picture video like this. You see that? Now you can now go ahead and start doing something next on your iPhone while the picture-in-picture video is playing. So that's exactly how you can easily turn on or enable picture-in-picture on TikTok iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.